How to connect your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to a Windows 11 computer desktop or laptop using the Smart View feature. Let's go ahead and get started. On your S23, you want to make sure that you have the Smart View toggle readily available, which is this one right here. If you don't see it, go ahead and press on the plus and check in the available buttons and look for the Smart View toggle. Long press it, drag it into this section here and press done. Okay, and then it should be there available. Now, before we do anything else with our phone here, you want to make sure you get into the projection settings of your Windows 11 computer and have it all set up and ready to go. Okay, so what we're going to do now is go into the search here and type in the words projection settings, that right there. So go ahead and type that in. And when you do this, just go ahead and click on it one time. And it's going to take you to the next place that you need to be. Now, when you reach here, you'll notice that you'll see either launch the wireless display app or you might see install wireless display adapter. If it does say that to install it, you'll click on it, a window is going to open up, and then you'll look for the wireless display adapter. You'll check the box or toggle it, and then have it installed, run it, and then come back to this section again, and you'll see this option now. But before you click on this option, you want to make sure these three settings are set to available everywhere, and then every time a connection is requested, and then never for the pin, okay? Then you'll come here and turn on this switch here, which will allow your computer to be visible to nearby wireless display devices. And you're only gonna do this once, and this is only for the initial setup, just to make sure that the wireless display feature is ready to go on your computer so that it can actually pick up a wireless display device, okay? So now that you've done that here, you can either choose to go with the Smart View toggle here, which you can go ahead and just go into it from the phone itself, all right? And then you can long press it so you can see what's going on here. Go to next, continue. And it's gonna start searching for nearby devices. You'll wait for the name of your computer to show up here. And when you do this here, you'll see all of this stuff here and all that stuff here. Okay, so just go ahead and tap on it once and then start now, okay? And you'll notice that there is a option down there to connect to your phone, okay? And you'll see allow once. You'll see these options here, and you wanna go with allow once, or if you're always gonna use it, just go with always, and then press OK, and it's going to connect. Now, if you don't see that, that doesn't work for you, what you're gonna do right now is launch this settings here. Now you'll go ahead and launch that. That's gonna show you that blue background here, and then you should see that it's about to connect to your phone, or it's picking up your phone. You'll see it there now, and then you can tap on it and then go with start now, and then it's gonna say it's about to project, and just give it a few seconds for it to load up, and then you should be good to go, okay? And that's pretty much it. Now, if you're on a site or a video playing app, just make sure your auto rotate is enabled so that when you go into that app itself and you go into that landscape mode here, it'll also show up in landscape mode for you on your computer, okay? And that's pretty much it for this video tutorial here. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, okay?